Hey guys, this is Shanazia's channel, and today I'm going to be doing what's in my fridge, and my sister, Donkayla Terry, is going to be doing the camera. Okay, and I'm going to be naming the things in my fridge. So, wait, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is we have ketchup. Second thing we have in the refrigerator is ragu. Almost gone mayonnaise. Everybody likes mayonnaise in our family. Mayonnaise, more mayonnaise. Third thing, my favorite things to put on bread is Peter Pan Reese's Fat Creamy Peanut Butter. Finish bread. Jelly, hate jelly. We have little ketchup packs. We have crab oil. And we have crawfish, shrimp, and crab oil. And in our cheese thing, people put cheese like sauces and stuff in here.
We don't have any cheese right now, though.
Yeah. We have mayonnaise, mustard. Sorry. My brother's cup, Spider-Man cup, with milk in it. My grandma's little milk that she always drinks.
But we do have different milk.
Tomatoes, medicine when your stomach's not good. Another pack of the milk.
More peanut butter.
Wow, we have two because it's our favorite. We have Supreme cherry flavor, ketchup packs and peanut butter packs. Ooh, another mayonnaise.
Pepto-Bismol.
That's melted. Gaviscon. Can you see it? Gaviscon. And we have flour. Over here. Yeah, flour.
And that was our shelves.
Now we're going to do inside without on the shelf. We have my little cup that I got from Houston, Texas for a field trip. We have eggs. I can't take that out. We have milk. We have Gatorade, juices for the kids. We have bread, ravioli, pie, corn, watermelon slices, water in a jug. We have rice. We have blue bonnet. We have ham. We have gravy and meat. Turkey. We have ground meat and baking soda over there. We have ground meat. Cooked some spaghetti yesterday. Some ground meat. We have macaroni that my mom cooked, spaghetti, potatoes, and cookies. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And 1 second. Can you go entertain over there?
I'm the much better looking, more wonderful sister. She doesn't know I'm saying this. So much better than her and everything.
Okay. Now, thank you guys for watching what's in my fridge. If you have any comments, please put it down below. Subscribe. And thank you for my sister for videoing. Show yourself. Ta-da! Shut up. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.